Good morning, children. So today we are going to take the 6th class lesson number 3rd, that is diversity in living thing and their classification. What is mean by the diversity? Okay, so plant diversity refers to the existence of wide variety of plants species in their natural environment. There are around 3 lakh to 5 lakh species of vascular plants that exist on earth. Okay, so the plants diverse. Plants are a large group of living components in nature. Plants are also marked as the key segment with wide range of significance in information of global diversity. A biodiversity is an association of all living parts of the nature from different possible natural habitats. So in diversity of plant, there are varieties of plants found in the nature. So various types of plants are found in many places around us. We have seen some aquatic plant, terrestrial plant, mountain plants, some plants like grasses. Okay, small plants, usually grass. The grass are the short, while others are tall and have a canopy, means tall trees like neem tree, banyan tree, eucalyptus tree. So that forms the canopy. Some plants grow underwater, while some plants other float on the water. Okay, we find that some plants grow even in desert, that are found in desert area. Various special types of plants occurs in desert. Moreover, we find that there is a lot of variety in the same type of plants. Okay, for example, there are the different varieties of rice, wheat, different types of roses. We see colorful roses, red rose, yellow rose, white rose, pink rose, orange rose. So various varieties, various species of roses we see. There are varieties of rice we see, है ना. हम लोग अलग अलग टाइप के राइस देखते हैं, कोई मोटा राइस होता है, कोई लंबा होता है, चिन्नौर राइस होता है, चेम्टी राइस होता है, सोनालिका राइस होता है. वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ व्हीट वैरायटी वी सी, MP board, Seahor, and all these types. So of different flavors also. Mangoes we see, types of mango, Totapari mango, है ना, Alfonso mango, then Langda mango. So there are also variety types of fruits available in our nature. Some plants grow even without stem. Some plants grow without leaves or roots. They are very different from ordinary plants. They special diversity among the plants. Some plants are leafless plant, some plants rootless plant. So varieties of plants we see in our surrounding. That means diversity in plants. Various kinds of plants are found around us. So we have to learn these various types of plant in this lesson. Let's see now. Plants, usually, you know, plants, in our last lesson we learned the food chain that starts with the plants. So plants are the producers. Why they are producers? Because they are able to prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So they are called autotrophs. So plants make their own food in sunlight. Such plants are called autotrophic plants. ये जो plants होते, they are usually green in color. They perform the process of photosynthesis with the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, water, and carbon dioxide. So they are autotrophic plants. Means only green plants are autotrophic plants. For example, hibiscus, then pomegranate plant, periwinkle plant. Some plants like fungus, Loranthus, Dodder use other plants for the food and they called heterotrophic plants. Plants are basically divided. One is autotrophic, plants. Okay, autotrophic plants are food preparation takes place. Okay, that are the green plants. Usually green plants, they prepare food. Okay, prepare food, so they are called autotrophic plants. Okay, then some plants like fungus, like mucor, they do not prepare their own food, they depend on other plants for their food, so they are heterotrophic plants. Okay, heterotrophic plants. Heterotrophic plants. So let's see the heterotrophic plants. So which plants? They are heterotrophic plants. Means here the plants, they are not able to prepare their own food, that are heterotrophic plants. Like mucor, then loranthus, dodger, these are heterotrophic plants. They depend on other plants for food. They depend on other plants for food. Okay, depend on other plants for food, that is heterotrophic plants. Then another, that is plants like a pitcher plant even consume insect, that is insectivorous plants. Some plants eat insect, insectivorous plants. Okay, insectivorous plant, they eat insects. Eat insect. Insect खाते, that are insectivorous plant. Usually a pitcher plant. Example is pitcher plant. Pitcher plant is a insectivorous plant. Many examples: Venus flytrap, pitcher plant. Okay, these are insectivorous plant. Some plant that are heterotrophic plant, they depend on food for the other plant. And here autotrophic plants means only the green plant, they are able to prepare their food. So in this way the plants are categorized: autotrophic plant, heterotrophic plant and insectivorous plant. Okay, so there is a classified, plants are classified. जब जो सारे फूड फॉर्म करते हैं वो सारे ऑटोट्रॉफिक प्लांट्स में आएंगे, है ना, ऑल ग्रीन प्लांट्स. जो प्लांट्स है दे नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट, यूजुअली they depend on other plants for their food, they comes in heterotrophic plant group. Okay, and those plants they eat on the insect, they feed on the insect, they comes in this insectivorous plant. Okay, so it is the classified in 3. So according to its mode of nutrition, plants are classified into autotrophic mode of nutrition, heterotrophic mode of nutrition and insectivorous mode of nutrition, means insectivorous plants. Understood? Now let's see the structure of a plant. How plant structure? Plant structure can generally be divided into 2 parts. Plants are divided into 2 parts. One is the stem, means shoot system, which grow above the ground and the root which grow below the ground surface, that is a root system and a shoot system. So let's see structure of plant. Okay, let's suppose this is the root. Usually, you know, the roots give support to the plant, it anchors the plant. Okay, and above the soil, the plant grows. They have the stem, leaves. Okay, it's a structure basic of plant. This portion grows towards the soil, that is the root. Okay, and the portion which grows above the soil, that is stem. It's a basic structure of plant. Various parts of plant also found. Then the root, stem and leaves are the main parts of the plant. So this is the root, stem and these are leaves. ये सारे जो leaves है, they are the basic structure, basic parts, main parts of the plant. From time to time, plants bear flowers for reproduction, you know. Then flowers are transferred into fruits. Fruits have seeds and seeds give rise to again new plant. We know when that plant grows, flowers come out here. Okay, then flowers converted into fruits. That we know, fruits के अंदर होती है seeds. Again that seeds mature and that able to give rise into new plant or same kind. So that is reproduction of the plant. Okay, seed germination of the plant. So this is the basic structure of the plant. So let's see one by one all the parts of the plant. The stem. The stem, the height, shape and size of a plant depend upon the stem. In stem पे depend होती है plant की height, कितनी है plant की height, छोटा है, बड़ा है. That means how much the stem grows, the plant size depends upon it. The stem carries out the function of production, conduction and storage of food. The stem performs various functions. The stem carries out the function of production, conduction and storage of food. It has the function of reproduction also. In some plants, we can grow new plant from the stem, like in hibiscus, in rose plant. हम लोग stem से भी new plant grow कर सकते हैं in some cases. It gives support to the parts of the plant. The stem gives support to leaves, stem gives support to flowers, stem gives support to fruits also. So it's a main function. In some cases, stem performs the process of photosynthesis, usually in a desert plant where leaves are absent. Okay, in the desert plant, the stem performs the process of photosynthesis. That's the main function of the stem. Then the leaf. What is leaf? The leaf is a flat. It plays an important role in the production of food. You know, leaves are kitchen of the plant, in which chlorophyll pigment present. With the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, the leaves, the food formation takes place inside the leaves. So leaves are the kitchen of the plant. It plays an important role in the production of food. Leaves are mainly of two types. So here the types of leaves found: simple and compound leaves. So see what is a simple leaf. Simple leaf means the simple leaf. It's a simple leaves. like hibiscus, mango leaf. It is a simple leaf. Okay, simple leaf. Then some leaves are different, like you see the neem leaves. This leaf, that is compound leaf. It is compound leaf. एक single leaf होता है, that is simple leaf. The many leaves are arranged on one branch, that is compound leaf. Neem, kadulim, goat neem, है ना, rose. Rose shows the compound leaf. ऐसे leaves होते हैं वो compound leaf होते हैं, और single leaf, mango, then simple leaf, hibiscus leaf. It's a single leaf, that is a simple leaf. There are the two types of leaf, simple leaf and compound leaf. Okay, then flowers. This is the most attractive part of a plant. So the flower is the most attractive part of the reproductive part of the plant. It is connected to the stem by a stalk which may be long or short. A flower has a typical color. Various colors flowers we found: red, yellow, orange, green. Okay, and shape also. The flowers is an important means of reproduction. For flower is nothing but the reproductive part of the plants. Flowers कोई fruits लगते हैं, fruits के अंदर ही seeds होते हैं. So flower is a reproductive part of plant. Okay, children. So then fruits have different shapes. Okay, we know all the fruits, types of fruits. Fruits contain one or more seeds. In some fruit contain only one seed, like mango. Then in which amla, mango, they contain only single seed. But in many fruits they contain the large number of seeds, like papaya, guava, pomegranate. They contain the various or the number of seeds in that. The pods of beans and peas are actually fruits. जो pods होती शेंगा, pods means peas की शेंग, that groundnut, that actually the fruit, और उसके अंदर उसके seed होते हैं. So see that. Then roots, structure of roots. Roots hold the soil firmly and anchor the plant. It's a basic or the main function of root. Root gives anchor to the plant. The main function of roots are to absorb and transport water and nutrient from the soil. What is the function of root? Root gives first anchoring to the plant. It holds the plant firmly. Then roots absorb water and mineral from the soil. Okay, and reach to the stem. Then the roots of carrot and radish are store food. Also it stores the food. Root जो carrot होते हैं, radish होते हैं, मूली, गाजर, उसके अंदर food store होता है. It also stores the food. We utilize that food. Carrot खाते हम लोग, radish खाते हैं ना. Then there are the two different types of roots. Roots are also two different types. One is taproot and another is a fibrous root. So taproot means this is the main root. Okay, and the lateral branches arises here. Small lateral branches. That is, it is a taproot. Taproot. It is a taproot. You see, right down here, taproot. Radish, carrot, then hibiscus, banyan. That shows the taproot. Another type of root is a fibrous root. Okay, here all the roots that here is the main root and lateral branches. Here that directly starts from the main branch. So this is the fibrous root. This is fibrous root. Usually in all grasses. Usually on grasses, that is onion, grass, that shows the fibrous root. Okay. So this is the root structure. It's a root system here below the soil. Then above the soil level, it's a shoot system. Root system possesses various types of roots. Roots here, root absorb the water and mineral from the soil and reach to the stem. The stem also conduct water and mineral and reach to the each and part of the plant. Leaves performs the function of photosynthesis. And flowers are the reproductive part of plant. After mature, flower get converted into fruits. Inside the fruits, various seeds. And when the seeds matures, we can get again the new plant from that seed. So this is the main function of plant. Okay, and structure of plant we learn. Now, why there is need for classification? Why? You know the classification means to categorize into different classes. है ना, हम लोगों के यहाँ भी क्लासिफिकेशन होता है. अगर आप सुपरमार्केट में जाते हो तो सुपरमार्केट में क्या होती है, हर एक चीज का अलग अलग सेक्शन होता है. क्लोथिंग का सेक्शन अलग होता है, यूटेंसिल्स का सेक्शन अलग होता है, ग्रोसरी का सेक्शन अलग होता है. सो देयर इज द एक बड़े से मॉल में सारे सेक्शंस अलग अलग किए जाते हैं. So why there is need for classification? So up to now, information about the lakhs of plant has been collected. Lakhs of plants are found on the earth. So while studying the diversity in plants, they are classified for the sake of convenience on the basis of similarities and differences in their structure. So their organs and their other characteristics. Okay, for our convenience, हमको easy होना चाहिए वो plants का study करने के लिए. उनके अंदर के जो characters है, functions है, कौन सी similarity है, कौन से differences है सारे plants में. For our convenience, for our betterment, the plants are categorized, the plants are classified. Okay, so next period we will continue with the classification of plant. Okay, children, this is your homework. You have to read the lesson number 3, diversity in living thing and their classification. So bye everyone.